This is an extremely difficult job in normal situations. So then when we get into emergency storm situations, that risk factor is multiplied by 1,000. And at any moment, anything we do is putting my life and the guy to the left of me and the guy to the right of me at risk. And we just want to make sure that we can get back home to our families. So safety is the utmost important thing. This is way different. Uri was mostly snow, and we were able to handle Uri with just our crews and our personnel. The issue with this one is all of the ice and the ice buildup on the trees that have been affected by the drought that we've been having recently has just been breaking all of the limbs. So it's just been a lot more challenging with all the weight and all the downed wires, not just so much snow accumulation. Also, along with the tree damage, just also accessing those areas to even get back in there, to make those clearances, to get it back on has been the most challenging part so far. You know, we're riding out our line, we're going through, we're clearing it out, we're getting it fixed, we're leaving the site, and then we get a call 40 minutes later, another limb has broken and tore down everything that we just fixed. So then we're having to go back and redo everything that we just did. So that's been extremely challenging. You know, we're doing the best we can. We're working as hard as we can. Yeah, just please be patient with us, and we're doing our best to get everybody back on and houses warm and everybody happy.